Hey there, it's Aviva from Elementor. Today I'll show you how to create and manage landing pages using Elementor. The Landing Pages Builder makes it easier than ever to create landing pages for all your marketing campaigns. With a dedicated location for landing pages, you can keep track of and edit all your landing pages in one place. Choose from an ever-growing library of up-to-date and high-converting landing page templates to simplify the landing page creation process and improve your workflow. Let's take a look and see how you can utilize this handy feature for your marketing efforts. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Templates, Landing Pages. If you haven't yet used the Landing Pages Builder, you'll see this screen. Click the Add New Landing Page button. The Landing Pages tab is pre-selected, so you can get straight to finding the perfect template for your project. This section is chock full of professional landing pages. You can use the search to narrow down your results, or scroll through to browse. Click any thumbnail to preview a landing page. You can insert it straight from here, or go back to the library to keep browsing. With so many templates, you may find it challenging to choose just one, but that's okay. There's an option to save templates for later. Click the heart to add it to your favorites, and it will be right here waiting for you. Once you've found the perfect landing page for this project, click Insert. Note that if it's the first time you're accessing the templates library, you'll be prompted to connect your Elementor account. If you don't yet have an account, you can register for a free account during this process. Cool! Let's name the landing page. Click the gear icon on the bottom panel to enter the page settings. Type in a descriptive name. You can customize the page as desired, and when you're ready to take your new landing page live, click Publish. Now let's preview it. And just like that, your landing page is ready to share. Let's go back to the Landing Pages section. Once you've created at least one landing page, you'll be able to see all your landing pages here, add new pages, and easily keep track of and modify existing ones, all from one place. Fantastic! And that's all there is to using the Landing Pages Builder. Now you're ready to build awesome landing pages for all your marketing campaigns. Streamline your workflow and scale up your marketing efforts with confidence using Elementor. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell.